Welcome. In this first video, we're going to take a calm and grounded look at what it actually means to work with crystals. If you're new to this, or if crystals have felt confusing or overwhelming before, you're in the right place. There's nothing you need to believe, memorize, or get right. This is simply an introduction, a way to understand crystals in a clear, steady way, without pressure. Before we go any further, it's helpful to clarify what this course is about. This is not about quick results, predictions, or doing things perfectly. And it's not about rituals, rules, or special techniques. Instead, this course focuses on understanding crystals as tools for awareness and intention, something you can work with in a simple, grounded way, alongside your everyday life. You don't need prior experience. You don't need to be spiritual. You don't need to believe anything blindly. Curiosity is enough. One helpful way to think about crystals is this. Crystals are stable, consistent forms of energy. The world around us is constantly changing. Our thoughts, emotions, and environments shift all the time. Crystals, by contrast, are steady. They don't adapt to us, we adapt around them. When we work with a crystal, we're not asking it to fix something or give us something. We're using it as a reference point, something consistent that helps us slow down, focus, and become more aware of ourselves. In that sense, crystals don't add energy to us. They help us notice what's already there. A lot of information about crystals can feel complicated very quickly. There are meanings to memorize, combinations to remember, and ideas about doing things the right way. But simplicity is often far more effective. Working with one crystal consistently is usually more grounding than working with many crystals occasionally. This course encourages you to slow things down, to build a relationship with one or two crystals, rather than trying to understand everything at once. There's no rush. Learning works best when it's steady. When people talk about working with crystals, they often imagine something active or dramatic. In reality, it's usually very subtle. Working with a crystal might simply mean keeping it nearby while you rest or reflect, holding it while setting a gentle intention, placing it somewhere you'll notice it regularly. The key part isn't the action, it's the attention. Crystals become meaningful through consistent, mindful presence, not through effort. It's important to say this clearly. There is no perfect way to work with crystals. If you forget about them for a few days, nothing is ruined. If you change your mind about how you use them, that's fine too. This is not about discipline or correctness. It's about noticing what feels supportive to you. Over time, confidence comes naturally, not from doing more, but from paying attention. In the next videos, we'll explore how to choose a crystal without overthinking, how to begin working with one crystal at a time, simple, practical ways to include crystals in daily life. Everything will be explained step by step, with plenty of space to move at your own pace. For now, this first step is simply about understanding what crystals are, and what they're not. Take this slowly. There's no need to rush ahead, or absorb everything at once. Learning works best when it feels calm and manageable. When you're ready, you can move on to the next video, where we'll look at how to choose your first crystal in a simple, grounded way.